Driven by GWF's vision to innovate solutions for our most valuable resource, we developed our new domestic water meter Sonico Nano. Based on 4D technology, Sonico Nano delivers highest accuracy, a robust design and highest installation flexibility. Sonico Nano makes a difference and delivers true, repeatable, bidirectional flow measurements and leak, burst or reverse flow notifications. And moreover, the integrated wireless dual mode connects automatically to LoRaWAN network or, if not available, to wireless M-Bus, Drive or Walk-by. And by the way, the meter configuration, or if necessary, a software update can be made in the field using our own GWF Live mobile app. For data management and analytics, we developed our own cloud-based data management platform, Infinio.
Portal is the gateway into the Infinio digital ecosystem. From here, you access all other solution modules tailored specifically to the application area needs of the client. Service is the area where all service-related tools for installation and commissioning and maintenance of measurement assets is located. Connect not only ensures smooth and secure data transfer to our Insights module, but also seamless transfer of data to external platforms. Connect gets your data online, in time, every time. Infinio Insights is where you find your data-driven modules designed by domain experts. Each module gives you deeper insight into the specific application area to enable enhanced value services for your clients.